Hello guys! Welcome back to LVLIMUA channel. Dah dua video LVLI buat without voiceover or narration. But this time in this video, I'm gonna make it very clear and very like in-depth punya tutorial. So today we'll be having my beautiful friend Bella, and I wanted to create a glowy look on her because later after recording this video we will do a TikTok of wearing beautiful dresses. So I want to make the makeup look very clean, glowy, but at the same time still got colour. Maksud dia macam even though it's simple tapi still ada colour. Supaya dia tak being overshadowed by the dresses. So as you can see, I started with the New Talk estrogen toner to plump up the skin. Since she has oily skin, LVLI just letak benda tu dulu, and then after that, if not mistaken, I did put some moisturizer, but I think I don't know, it's not in the video, I forgot when, tapi LVLI ada letak something, that's why you can see her face look very glowy. And for the eyebrow, since she has like very, how do you say, very not thick but quite defined eyebrow punya shape, and then the bulus the bulus are so thick, so LVLI decided to just fill in the eyebrows with pomade from Tarte. This is in the color dark brown, and then LVLI conceal to further define the eyebrow shape. LVLI, this eyebrow technique kan, dia macam in the middle tau. It's not too defined, but it's not too soft. Dia macam tu. But in picture, it gonna look great. Serious, it gonna look great. Dia akan nampak the shape of the eyebrow, but not too dark. LVLI conceal started from underneath the brow and then on top of the brow, as you can see. And then I blend the edges of the concealer. Now I was using concealer with a foundation brush, so that later when we put foundation, dia tak macam tebal at certain area. And then I continue by putting on foundation on her. No. I put the corrector first, if not mistaken. Okay, cepat video, cepat. Go. As you can see, I blend the concealer. And then I use this dark concealer. This is the darker shade from this brand. It's Rimmel. Dia macam dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. So I jarang guna the orange corrector yang you guys nampak in many videos kan. I rarely use the corrector. I usually just use my darker shade of concealer untuk samarkan the uneven skin tone and redness and darkness whatever, sebab somehow darker concealer dia macam, since it has more pigment, dark pigment in it, so dia ada orange, ada yellow, ada brown, dia boleh cover all of the redness and darkness or uneven skin tone. Sebab the purpose is to kind of like a corrector. When we put foundation after that, it won't look grey or uneven. So nanti foundation kita tak guna banyak sangat, even though it's full coverage. And then I slap on and I blend the foundation starting from her forehead. Sebab I saw the concealer kan, lepas tu I terus blend sebab I wanted to make it look seamless. I was using, I forgot which foundation I use, but if I'm not mistaken, at this point I rasa I was so obsessed with I think it's the NARS soft matte foundation. I make it a little bit lighter, not really light, but relatively light from her face, actual face, sebab dia she got like very short forehead, and then the forehead area dia macam burn tau, since it is exposed. So this colour is not really bright on her, it's just that sebab area dia punya forehead tu dia macam a little bit dark, it gonna look like a bit lighter, but it is actually her skin tone just like half tone lighter, something like that. So as you can see, I'm using the tapping motion on her face, and then you guys nampak kan tadi wherever I put the dark concealer just now, dia punya colour tu macam terus masuk, dia tak ada macam grey ke, and then the way I blend it on her skin is very seamless. You nampak tak? And then I use the tapping motion sebab because her skin dia macam she had like breakouts before, so muka dia ada a little bit of lubang-lubang, but not that big. Tapi this tapping motion really helps to actually define the pores. No. It actually helps to samarkan the pores. What is samarkan in English? To reduce the appearance of pores. So it looks smoother. And then I put this shading, if I'm not mistaken, I was still using the... If I'm not mistaken, this was Rimmel punya concealer, the one in the blue tube, in the blue tube, yang the darker shade. If I'm not mistaken, it was Mocha. LVLI put on the back of my hand first, and then I pick up with this slanted eye brush. Sebab LVLI tak suka tau actually letak macam like the product directly on the face unless it is a bigger surface macam tu. Contoh macam cheek. Sebab hidung ni kalau you terlebih letak produk, nanti dia akan jadi nampak macam muddy, nampak macam kotor. And then I use blusher. This one is cream blusher or a lipstick. At this point, I was so obsessed of using this one lipstick. I think it's from LA Girl. The color is so natural. It matches like most skin tones. Terutamanya yang macam Asia lah, sebab warna dia macam mauvey pink macam tu. It's not that red, it's not that purple, it's not that nude. So dia matches the skin. So LVLI letak on the cheek area, and then I didn't use, to be honest, I terlupa or tak sengaja or sengaja, I forgot, but I didn't put any concealer underneath the eyes. Sedih kan? Sebab I feel like she doesn't need it, and then her face is already defined because dia tak terlalu banyak isi. So I just put a lighter powder foundation underneath the eyes, and then overall the face I use loose powder, just to lessen the shine. You guys nampak? LVLI blend all over the face. And then for the eyes, LVLI start by using this cream color. I forgot which palette this was, but this was... I don't think it's any that you can get from Sephora. I think it's from Sasa Moira. I forgot because this video was ages ago. LVLI letak the light shade underneath the eyebrow so that later when we blend the darker eyeshadow or the darker eyeshadow on the lid, dia akan terus blend, so you don't have to use any transition shade. See, you guys nampak LVLI tap macam tu je, but the colour blended effortlessly. Effortlessly. You guys, LVLI letak je around the eyelid, and then untuk nampakkan lagi, kasih the colour lagi vivid, LVLI tambah lagi the same colour. This is like brownish orangey colour. Anything that you think suitable, because her skin tone is medium, fair to medium. Not really dark, but not really fair. So medium skin tone. So LVLI use the smaller eyeshadow brush to actually pack on brown colour. Since LVLI letak powder on top of powder, it's not gonna show that much, but you can actually see, nampak tak dia punya gradient and the colour punya blend tu cantik. So when you put like a true colour on the eyeshadow, on the eyelid, and then you put darker shadow on top of the powder, it gonna add like dimension but not that dark unless you use black lah. And then to samakan the eyes, since most of us Asian people, we have like satu besar satu kecil punya eyelid. Everly letak eyelid tape on her right eyes. Yeah, that will be left side for those who are watching. And then Everly letak eyeliner, just a little bit, just like a thin line, just to make macam sebab later Everly nak letak bulu mata, Everly nak kasih effect like her eyes are elongated macam tu. So Everly put a very thin line of eyeliner, and then Everly connected yang bawah tu, so like you got like very small, very small, very cute wing, as you can see. Sebab later when we put the lashes on top of the liner, dia akan nampak macam, oh, she has longer eyes macam tu. She has like almond-ish shape eyes. See, Everly tak very thin. You can tell how thin it is by just looking at the eyelid. Walaupun dia punya eyelid tu like kecil gila, but still eyeliner tu macam tak menutupi the eyelid. That is very important, guys, for those who have smaller eyelid or monolid. Jangan lukis terlalu besar. And then I put the lashes. Nampak tak? Everly panjangkan dekat bahagian hujung. Yeah, Everly panjangkan. And then suddenly, the eye shape changes. Apa English aku ni weh? Itulah, nampak tak perubahan bentuk mata. Suddenly, the eyes look like very big and very long. Dia macam panjang ke tepi. And then, I sengaja letak the bulu mata downwards. Sebab I wanted to mimic the shape or the how do you say, I wanted to mimic the actual curl of natural lashes macam tu. Sebab usually if you do this technique, at first it's gonna feel like heavy. Yeah, sorry, pardon me. Gonna feel like heavy sebab bulu mata tu mengarah ke bawah tau. But then after you finish with the eyelashes, you ambil eyelash curler and then push it upwards. So nanti that's what I mean by what I meant by mimicking the natural curl of the lashes. You see dia macam sekarang ni macam tak wow kan, sebab dia downward, so dia tak nampak sangat bentuk. Later I will be curling it. So why LVLI letak very thin eyeliner tadi tu, sebab I'm gonna support it with the tight line punya eyeliner. I was using, I think if I'm not mistaken, this is Intuit punya gel pencil liner. Nampak tak? Suddenly dia punya apa tu nama tu, dia punya eyeliner tu nampak macam makin tebal. And then to enhance the eye, Everly letak this glitter shadow from Novo. This eyeshadow is very underrated, guys. To be honest, I feel like it look like the Bobbi Brown punya. No, not Bobbi Brown. Yeah, was it Bobbi Brown? No, the Urban Decay Space Cowboy. Nampak tak dia punya glitter? Like you can actually see it from far, especially bila ada light hitting the eyeshadow, sebab dia ada like little sparkle glitter kan. Nampak very nice and it look glowy from far. And then on top of the cream blusher tadi, Everly letak blusher. This one is from BH Cosmetic, the professional palette. I first put the coral color, the coral shade all over the cheek area, sebab this coral color matches like most Asian skin tone. Unless you have like very white, you can get by using like pink or purple punya blusher. But eventually in this video I didn't show it, but the cut area, the cheek apple Everly letak like pinkish colour. Nampak tak dia punya gradient from pink to coral, so dia nampak macam like gradient of shading macam tu without you actually using shading. And then under the eye, Everly letak pencil from Wycon, pencil eyeshadow. And then on top of the pencil eyeshadow, I put the same Novo glitter eyeshadow. And then I continue with the Sky High Maybelline punya mascara. The popular mascara. I don't get it sebab, to be honest, after I purchased that Sky High mascara, I tak beli dah because it dries so fast. It dries so fast. Macam dah lah mahal kan. But I actually had another alternative for the Sky High I think it's from Catrice. No, yeah, it's from Catrice. Dia ada dalam blue bottle tu. And then I put highlighter. This one is from Burberry. You can see that glow. And then, lastly, kita nak siap. LVLI, for the lips kan, LVLI tak buat macam like define lips dengan lip liner macam tu. LVLI just put this matte lipstick. LVLI ambil this pencil brush or bullet brush. LVLI just blend it sampai dekat outer line of the lips. So you guys can actually look, dia nampak macam juicy, nampak very like healthy glow, very juicy like that. So this is like for those who wanted very fresh, very natural lips. Sorry. Very natural and very fresh lip technique, look. You guys boleh guna this look. And then LVLI spray everything with, I forgot which brand again, but this is the look. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know if you wanted to know the products that I use. So here I present the finished look. Bella, beautiful Bella. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye.